Sometimes doing the siding yourself can actually cost more than hiring a pro. The siding replacement is a big project. It's especially when you're looking at James Hardie siding. It's a very specific installation instruction, very specific install that's required, and so you want to make sure that you know that those install techniques. It's heavy. It's a cement siding, so it's not a one-person type of install. What we've seen in the past is homeowners get started with it, realize they're in over their head. We'll have to go out. Usually we have to take down what's been done. For us to put our warranty on a project, we need to do it from start to finish. We need to do, we need to see what the sheathing looks like underneath. We need to install the house wrap so that we know that it's been done properly. We need to put the trim on, and start building from there. And so doing it yourself is really discouraged with James Hardie. If you have the time, that's great. Most people don't have the time, but it takes a team of 3 to 5 trained installers who this is all they do. 3 weeks, about 3 weeks to do a project. And so for the typical homeowner, that's at least a summer full of weekends. And so the time dedicated to that is really, taken away from your quality of life. And, obviously finances have a big part to do with it. If you just can't swing it and you need new siding, then that's a little bit more of a financial decision. But it really will pay off in the long term to have a contractor come out that's familiar with the product, and then you get the labor warranty too, so that if something isn't done properly, it's going back on the contractor. You'd hate to get into a situation where something happens with the siding, you call out James Hardie, and they said, well, unfortunately it wasn't put on right, so we can't back up this warranty. And so doing it yourself, while it may look appealing and look good for the pocketbook, sometimes it can cost more than having a pro come out and do it.